mean, it's all about winning for me, and I think the Cavs is committed to doing that. And but at the same time, you know, I've given myself options.
The speculation on what happens next has already started. That impresario Jay-Z is recruiting him to play for the Nets, ultimately in Brooklyn. That he can go to New York and save the New York Knicks. That John Calipari might coach LeBron in, of all places, Chicago. That Pat Riley wants him in Miami. That even the Los Angeles Clippers, with all of that salary cap room and some pretty good players, would be a better place for him to pursue a title. And losing like this, the reasoning goes, simply makes it easier for LeBron, now a free agent, to close the first chapter of his career, the Cleveland chapter, seek the happy ending elsewhere.
The answer to the question everybody wants to know. LeBron, what's your decision?
In this fall, man, it's very tough. In this fall, I'm going to take my talents to South Beach and join the Miami Heat.